Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Those who have not watched my previous video, I have reviewed the rudest book ever by Shwetabh Gangwar in that video. You can watch that video in this channel and you can like it if you find it good. In this video, I am going to share my reviews regarding the top 3 biographies I have read till now. These are my favorite biographies, and the biographies contains the accounts of those people's lives who are my role models actually. So the first book which I am going to review is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's biography, Wings of Fire. This is a very inspirational book. This book contains his accounts. This book contains his journey from his very beginnings, the humble beginnings from where he began his journey till he becomes the Missile Man of India and the President of India. This is a very inspirational book. It contains inspiration in every of its page. From the very beginning you will find inspiration. If you are a teenager, I highly recommend you to read this book. This is a very good book if you want to get some real inspiration in your life. This contains his accounts of his this contains his experiences when he went to NASA, and this book also gives the details about his patriotism towards his motherland India. This book is a very good one if you want to get some real inspiration, as I said. So the next book which I am going to review now is another of my role models biographies, Steve Jobs biography by Walter Isaacson. This is also a very renowned book. It's an international bestseller. Walter Isaacson, I think you have heard of him. He is a very famous author. He writes biographies. He has also written biography of Albert Einstein and Da Vinci. This is the biography of Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson. This book is one of my favorite, most inspirational books, if I can say, I have read till now. This book contains Steve Jobs' accounts from his humble beginnings, where he began his journey and how he went on to become a college dropout, then find some spirituality in his life, then how he, with his best friend, how he set up Apple and took it to the masses and went public, how he started building computers and marketing them with his best friend, and then how he built this company Apple, world's first $1 trillion reaching company. This book contains the accounts of Steve Jobs' journey, how he went to one of the good colleges in the country, an expensive college, and then he dropped out of that college. I'll not give you any spoilers. Then he dropped out of the college, and how he found his passion and he worked on that, and how he found the name of the company Apple. This book is very interesting if you want to know how Apple became world's one of the most famous companies, tech companies till now. This is also a very inspirational book. I liked this book very much, and this was the first biography I read. I read this book, then I read Wings of Fire. This is one of my favorite books till now. The next book which I am going to review now is another of my role models biography. It's an autobiography, Richard Branson's biography. This book is also written in autobiography method. So, and this is the latest biography which I have read. I finished this book just some 2 months ago, and this was also a very good book. Richard Branson is actually one of the most famous businessmen around the world. I think you can search his name in Google, you can find the details. I think you have heard of it, many of you have heard of it. Richard Branson is the chairman of the Virgin Group of companies. He started his company from scratch. That is the most inspirational thing about him. He started this company from scratch and went on to form 400 companies under Virgin's level. So you can think how much it's inspirational. And this book contains the account of his journey from the very beginning. He suffered from dyslexia also, and he is a high school dropout, not also a college dropout. He's a high school dropout. Still he managed to become one of the most successful businessmen and entrepreneurs in the world today. So Richard Branson is also a very inspirational role model in my life. And in this book you can find the journey, how he started from scratch, how he started a magazine, and from there he went on to build world's one of the most famous and diverse companies, Virgin Group, which has more than 400 companies under that level. And this book is also very inspirational. I like this book very much. The attitude of Richard Branson towards business and commerce is also very interesting. I would say interesting. So he also started from very humble beginnings. So yeah, those are the 3 favorite books which I have read till now, the 3 favorite biographies of mine. These were my reviews. You can buy these books anywhere in Amazon or Flipkart or in any physical bookstore. So in the next video I'm planning to give some more book reviews, and in the near future I'm planning to also review movies. This will become a review channel as a whole. I'm planning to make it a review channel as a whole, and I think you will love those reviews as well. I'm planning to build the channel as a review channel, so I'll also start rating and reviewing movies which I watch in the near future, not just now but in the near future. So that's all guys for today. See you all in my next video. Thanks for watching this video, and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want some more content like this. Thank you guys.